At Cresco Salus, teaching regular investors how to achieve their financial dreams is a mission we take very seriously. Unlike the financial industry, we do not take ongoing fees for advice. At Cresco Salus, we teach you what you need to know to be able to do it for yourself, and in return your returns will skyrocket and your costs. Each course is taught by a 20-year veteran of Wall Street through one-on-one phone or Zoom calls. Each course has numerous PDFs and spreadsheet downloads sent to you immediately upon sign-up. The first call is a short diagnostic call for us to understand what your own level of understanding is, as everyone is different. The course provides everything you need to completely learn to invest for yourself. The course includes numerous links to important websites, free tools and online brokerages. The course also includes a list of the most important books you should read about finances and investing, along with links to videos everyone who is serious about wealth creation should watch. You need to learn what matters the most. You can do this. Warren Buffett says widespread fear is your friend as an investor because it serves up bargain purchases. What is the point of hearing that if you do not know what it means? You have to have the right perspective to be able to absorb what you are being taught, and unfortunately most people do not have the right perspective. That is why they are in the 99%. Because the courses are taught one-on-one, we know what you are absorbing and what you are having trouble with and can correct it in course. We are your personal tutor and our only goal is your success. The courses range from $49 to $6,950. Learn at your own pace. Remember what Ben Franklin said, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest in yourself. It will benefit you for the rest of your life. In the end you will know it was the best money you ever spent, worth hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars to you. That is a mathematical certainty. The best time to have done this is 20 years ago, the next best time is right now.